Hey guys, it's me Jennifer, and I figured with the holidays fast approaching, and no, I'm not ready for them myself yet. So I figured I'd just show you guys some great gift ideas for the holidays, for the car enthusiast in your life, or let's face it, if you're watching this video, probably for yourself. So let's go ahead and check out the list. So the first thing on the list are these Audels LED garage lights. These are about $22 for a pack of 2, and they're 200-watt lights. They're super bright, and honestly, this garage has no windows in it, and I'm currently lighting up the garage with just those lights and what little light comes from the garage door opener. They have 6 panels on them, so you can adjust them to better illuminate your space. And they're super easy to install. You just screw them into the light bulb socket. So there's no rewiring of your electricals required. Next up is a great gift for the car enthusiast who has a few cars in their collection and maybe some of them are like chronically leaking. So automotive drip pans are expensive as it is. They can run up to 25, 30 bucks just for a single pan. Now, if you have multiple vehicles, that cost adds up. So here's a little life hack. You can go ahead and go to a restaurant supply store. I recommend going online to a place called Webstaurant Store, and you can get a pack of 12 18-inch by 26-inch sheet pans. So these have a nice lip around the edges so they can hold a lot of fluid. So if you're not driving your car for maybe a month, you're not going to have leaks all over the floor. We use these in our storage unit, and I'm pretty sure that's helping us be able to stay in the storage unit since the car's leaks are not overflowing all over the floor. So on Webstaurant Store, these are about 85 bucks for the pack of 12. And with ground shipping, that works out to about 10 bucks each sheet pan. So it is definitely a good savings if you have a bunch of cars in your collection that need these. Another gift idea that every car enthusiast probably needs at some point is an automotive detailing set. We have a bunch of car wash stuff on our shelf for maintaining our fleet, but a lot of our stuff is from Chemical Guys. And this 14-piece set is just the perfect, includes everything set that is great for beginners or the person who is always shining up their car at a car show. This Chemical Guys set is currently about $82 on Amazon, and it includes a car wash bucket with a grit guard so that contaminants and dirt don't end up back on your paint and cause scratches while you're washing your car. It also includes a microfiber mitt, a snow foam gun, snow foam car wash fluid, wax, wheel cleaner and a wheel brush, window cleaner, a tire protectant spray, and an applicator for that as well, and of course some towels. So it's a great bundle for those who need to replenish their car wash stash or if they are getting started in car care itself. And the last thing on the list is the Windshield Wow Windshield Cleaner Kit. This kit is about $130 with free shipping from Windshield Wow, and it makes cleaning your windshield super easy. And it helps you get into that area right at the base of the windshield that always seems to be a really difficult spot to reach. And all you do is you just set up the wand and attach a couple of microfiber cloths to the super strong magnets. Then you go ahead and you spray your windshield with your favorite cleaner. The kit does come with a small can of Sprayway glass cleaner, which is a great foaming spray. It doesn't leave behind any streaks. And you put magnet on either side of the glass and you just move it across. And it is super simple. It's a great investment, especially if you hate cleaning windshields and you always end up with that horrible fog on the inside. So I definitely recommend this kit. That's it. That's the list. It's nice and short and sweet. But if you're interested in checking out more recommendations for things, I do have a video on 4 tools that I bought a while back, and those would also make great gift ideas as well. So if you like this video, go ahead and click the like button, and if you haven't already, feel free to subscribe to my channel for future videos and updates. And if you'd like to help support the channel and help fuel future content, feel free to click on the Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee links down in the description below. And also, all the links to these products will be in the description as well, just so that you can easily get to them and find them. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.